First thing I'm gonna do is sear my chicken. And a little bit of the jerk sauce. I got my stove on medium high. Just let this cook for about 15 minutes, and then I'll pour the potatoes in the sauce and just let it stew. In 15 minutes, I'm gonna add in the potatoes. I want to add in the Caribbean jerk sauce. After I add in the Caribbean jerk sauce, I fill the bottle with water and pour the rest. Give it a stir. Add some butter.
One hour later.
Just cut my heat off. Ready to eat.